Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this guided meditation for self-love. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position, seated or perhaps even lying down, and to first start looking around in your space. What is with you here? What can you notice? And if it feels safe for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a gentle gaze on a point in front of you. Let us start here by taking a deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Let's do that 2 more times. Deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Deep breath in and cleanse it out. Now softly allowing your breath to move in and out through the nose, inviting the breath to travel all the way down towards your belly, allowing your belly to come forward on your inhale and back towards the spine with your exhale. Breathing at a pace that feels nourishing to you. I invite you to imagine that there is a beautiful ray of warm golden light shining down on you. Feel your entire body being bathed in this loving embrace. Notice the warmth gently caressing the crown of your head, your arms, and your legs. This light is just the right temperature. The sun's golden glow embracing you. And with every inhale, you may invite the warm golden light to also enter your cells. And with every exhale, let it spread and travel throughout your body. Observe yourself slowly starting to glow from the inside out. And this golden light has now reached your heart. Visualize these beautiful rays of warm light shining onto your heart. Perhaps noticing your heartbeat, your heart keeping you alive the one thing without you even noticing most of the times, which keeps the steady rhythm, allowing us to move through life, to move with life. And this rhythm, sweet love, is universal. You find it deep inside the earth, in the rhythmic rise and fall of the ocean tides, in the music that you listen to, the animal that you love, the person who makes your morning coffee, and the friend who knows just what you need. And you too are that person to someone or something. You with your heart lighting up their day. And oftentimes we forget about that. We forget what our body does for us and others. We forget about what it can do for the world. And sometimes we talk so kindly to our surroundings, yet have totally forgotten how to give that same love back to ourselves. And that's okay. It happens. And please know that you have a beautiful beating heart inside of you right now. A body moving you through this life. All these teeny tiny cells fighting for you to keep you safe, healthy, and alive. And now imagine that this beautiful, warm, golden light is still shining down on you. Visualize yourself there for a moment with this light. And imagine that this light could speak loving words to you. And all that you're invited to do right now is to breathe them in deeply. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. I am learning to support my best self. I am stronger than I think I am. I take time to nourish my whole self. I am a priority in my own life. I trust the process of life. I am reclaiming my power. I am gradually opening up to feel inner peace. The truth is that I am blessed, loved, and supported. Bathe yourself in these golden rays of love and feel these truths permeating each and every single cell inside your body. You are not separate from love. It is not something outside of you. You, yes you, sweet darling, are love. Now I invite you to slowly allow a gentle smile to come to your face. And with every breath you take, to let the smile grow bigger. Do you notice what happens when you smile? Feel this love spreading throughout and all around you. Maybe you would like to place one or both hands on your heart and thank your heart, your spirit, your body for showing up for yourself here. Then take the deepest breath in you took all day. And exhale a loving breath out. Gently allowing your chin to lower down towards your chest. And whenever you feel ready, you can softly flutter your eyes back open. Noticing your hands may be still on your heart. Noticing your body in the space that you are in. Then coming back to center. And on your next inhale, you can bring your hands up and above. And exhale, hands to the forehead for clear and loving thoughts. Hands to the heart for clear and loving intentions. And hands to the mouth for clear and loving communication. Sending out wonderful energy to all beings everywhere. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. If you enjoyed this self-love meditation, let us know through pressing the like button. I invite you to subscribe to our channel, to leave a comment, and share this practice with a loved one. It really means the world to us. Thank you, and until next time.